I want to see the inside first. I like to see the outside first. Come on, watch out.
It's better besides prayer.
Please stop. Go ahead. And make sure you open that door lightly.
I like the little foyer.
Oh yeah, little foyer. Foyer.
Yeah, like take off your shoes right there, please.
Don't put your shoes. Ain't nowhere to put them.
Feeling this.
Feeling this. Oh yeah, that's a flat fireplace. I like how they did this fireplace. It looked like one solid piece. It is one solid piece. Yeah, I know. It's a type. What? The stained glass? Yeah. Yeah, it is.
Nice and expensive.
I wish I had a pool.
Oh yeah, you wish you had a pool.
This part right here.
It's like a little bar. What do they call it? A
Nook.
It's
This
just.
is the island and this is the nook part.
It's a nice little backyard. We'll go back there and see. We can open it.
We already had it. Say hi, go see. Hi, go see. This is the little patio.
Hey.
This is the patio.
I was trying to tell you it's a lion statue.
That's what you was trying to tell me? Where? That's what that is? Y'all too old for that now. It can't fit in there. A little thing. Oh, this is dope. It's like a little studio. This is for kids. It's got kid stuff in here.
Creative style boy man cave.
First of all, it's cold
You
in
got
here.
you a TV out here.
And they got a fan.
Fan.
It's
You got a
cold.
heater.
Oh yeah, there go the heat. Okay. That's cool.
How's that sound cool?
Get in the house.
Possible.
How's what possible?
The fan is making my head cold when I have a hoodie.
Boy, get in the house. Sounds silly.
Then look, it's
Oh yeah, that's dope.
the water pond is 100%.
Right.
That pool, that part's
$750. Get out of there before you fall. Come on. $750.
$750 just for this house?
Yeah, why? You got it?
Do you have $750?
That's like a fire pit, huh?
If it's only at $1,000, that doesn't matter.
Yeah, you're gonna need more than 1,000.
Look at the design.
A hagu?
And this part is heated too.
You said a hagu?
Alright.
What
Bro, why do you keep opening that?
10. The door's locked.
Where's the lights at?
Oh, order something. What do you want?
See, now this is awkward. Look at how the refrigerator is.
Yeah.
That's
They
kind of.
messed up right there.
Yeah, that's kind of like you ain't got no room to open it.
Yeah, they really messed up. That's funny.
Yeah, they
should've
really
did-
messed up. They should push them out.
Like over there, huh?
Yeah, we have no space to open.
Yeah, that's where it should have been right here.
Or right there, yeah. That's why would they put it right there?
The cabinet should have been right there. You probably had to switch it.
You most certainly would have to.
Yeah.
They have to switch it.
It's a tri-level. Goes down. Let's go. I can't even walk through here.
The basement.
It's a tri-level. I don't think it's a basement.
Yeah.
Hold on. There we go.
That's a little thing. Small thing.
Oh, nice bathroom.
That's it. That's all you get.
Okay.
Well, you can put a couple beans in there.
Man.
A couple beans.
What is this?
What's what?
Ooh,
It's called a shower?
this.
It's a toilet. Get your hands off that. That's nasty.
Y'all nasty.
Why would you do that?
Touching
But
me.
there's already one.
That's both a toilet. One's a urinal, one's a toilet. You sit on.
They ain't never seen the human.
Wash your hands. Ain't no soap.
Oh, there's some.
This the wash.
What?
area.
Why is that in there? On fire, there's water.
That's the shower head. That's how you turn the shower on.
Oh, that's weird.
This is nice.
These should not
The
go.
wash area.
Ooh, the two
Oh, that's
bathrooms.
so cool.
What's this?
Where?
What's this
Oh,
door?
yeah.
Maybe that's the garage.
That's the garage.
Ooh, now we'll go to the basement. Basement time!
Typical road.
Let's go to the basement. Ooh, nice. This should be in here. Oh, there's a kitchen back there too. It's a going upstairs and they can just.
It's got to be the biggest water tank I've ever seen. Goodness gracious.
That's what Dad said.
What y'all looking for?
Refrigerator.
Y'all like refrigerators, huh?
But the two refrigerators.
Come here, Dave. Come here, David. No. Here.
It was
You need to wash your hands. Come here.
Noah.
I
The one-
don't.
Yes, you do. You don't want to touch the toilet.
Touching the toilet to a PR's nasty. There's
Yeah,
a
it
TV. Or we can sit on the floor and watch TV.
Mm-hmm.
Like this. Factory Oxstar. It's Factory Oxstar TV show.
I like this countertop.
There's a TV.
Some nice marble. Mhm. It's a small basement.
That's what I said.
It's very small. So I guess it's not
You
really.
got that big old key.
What's this? A bathroom?
No, pantry.
Oh, another pantry. Oh, okay. So that's it. This is the whole basement, huh?
A very small.
For $750.
Cut it off right here.
Go see the upstairs bedrooms.
I'll go first. I'll go second deck. Ooh.
What? No, let's see. Little wires so you won't fall through.
Ooh, there's another upstairs.
Oh, so there's 3 floors. Okay, this must be the master, which is amazing. Closet a little underwhelming. Stop.
Oh, the basketballs.
I like how they did this tub. It's pretty fly. That is nice. Look at the huh?
Ooh, that's a toilet.
Come look at how they did the shower.
The shower.
I like it. Stop. Leave it alone.
It looks so majestic.
He said it looks so. He said it looks so majestic.
So cool.
Wait, it's a what? It's a
Wow.
It's a movie theater. You just open the door.
Oh, okay, the closet is decent.
What is this?
It's a closet, bro. Oh yeah, I like the closet.
This closet.
Yeah, they did this one nice. It's good enough to hide in. That's what y'all.
It's 2 closets in one.
And there's another little one over there. I like this one.
Well, let's go to the next.
The look, you see it? You see how this light look? Oh, there you go. I told you it's a tri-level. Out of steps. Huh? Good lord. How many remotes you need? Man.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
They got one right here.
13. No, 12 remotes. You know what? can watch TV in the bathtub.
Oh wow, that's lazy.
Cool.
That's
Some
crazy.
tub. That's lazy. Use the tub.
I just realized the master ain't got no tub.
And when you go to the tub,
Just got a shower.
that's actually a great idea.
What the? So what's this room? It's got a little. It's kind of dangerous though. You walk right on the roof. There's something out there. You see, I can just walk right out on the roof. This is like an extension.
Maybe a little sit area.
Yeah,
That's crazy.
I like it though. I put all plants. I have all plants in here.
You know what?
Yep, nothing but plants.
And they'll survive too.
All this light.
Sunlight, yeah.
This is nice. Okay.
The bathroom, though.
Yeah, it's real dope.
That's old fashioned.
They must have had a lot of kids. At least 3 or 4. You don't like it?
No, too small. And what's this? Like the sitting area?
Another sitting area.
It's all cut off.
There's so many TVs here.
I know.
There's a big upstairs.
Alright, y'all ready to get upstairs?
More upstairs. All right.
Nice
Boy, they put a nice coat of white on here. Man, you did that good.
This is the top of the house.
It's the top. Oh, it's like a little loft area or bungalow.
Roll the carpet up and everything.
You know what? I could do this to my attic. Because it's way bigger than this. Heck yeah. It's way bigger. But I don't know how I would get it. I would have to make another stairway to get up there.
Patrick Wayne, Astron Matthew, Johnny Country,
Light over here.
Rolster, Connor McDavid,
And you got another attic.
Oh, the light right there. Yeah, it's dope. How much?
It says 334.
34? Oh yeah, okay. That's about right.
one chili dog.
Yeah, I got you. Boy, get over here. Come on.
The lot is 87 by 160.
It's dusty.
So it's like a quarter of an acre maybe?
It's dusty.
Yeah, about a quarter. Come on.
It's dusty.
Somebody in here? Come on. Put that down. Let's go.